Hi, I am Sayan Tapadar of section 17, roll number 20EE10067, and for this week's DIY, I'll disassemble a computer mouse, show you its internal parts, and then reassemble it back together. For that purpose, I have taken a mouse which doesn't work anymore, and I'll be disassembling it. I'll also show you why it's not working anymore and tell you whether it can be corrected or not, but I don't think it can be corrected. So let's begin disassembling it. So the first thing that we should see here is that this big sticker. There were lots of stickers out here and one of them was hiding this particular screw. So I had to remove it to make the screw actually visible, and now I can open up the mouse. So let's just open it up. Now the thing is, this screw will take a long time to open up because the screwdriver doesn't actually fit the screw, so just bear with me. Should come out. Oh, it will just go in further. I have to open it from this. Yeah. Now here's the mouse. As you can see, this is the right click, the left click, and this was supposed to be the position for the scroll wheel. Now the right and the left outer buttons still remain, and as you see, there's this small thing. So when you click it, this particular thing comes forward, and let's just remove this also and this also. So you see, when we press it, that small thing actually came out and pressed these switches. We have the red and the white switch. The red is for the right click and the left is for the left click. Now for this mouse, the left click wasn't working, and to see why it was not working, you can actually see how the red and the white buttons jut out of the circuit, and you'll find that the red button juts out a certain height but the left doesn't. So what happened was, the left is already subdued, and so when you press it, the left click doesn't register. This was the problem with this mouse. Then you have the scroll wheel. When the scroll wheel turns, this particular thing turns with it and the circuit registers it, and that's it. This is the circuit. It doesn't work anymore, so whatever. And this here is the light. This particular light was visible from here and it showed whether the mouse is working or not, and this was where the light fit. So let's just work upon putting it back together. There you go. That's one part of it done. Now this particular mouse had a peculiarity that this thing fit through ridges, as you can see here and here, so you have to slide it in instead of just normal this. You have to go like this. That's it. It's just fit it back together. Again, it will take a long time, so bear with me. Well, that's it. It's again back in its original non-working state. Thank you.